see if it's. I think it's recording. It's just so hard to tell. Yeah, it is. Okay.
It's recording.
Yeah. You can just. All right, I'm gonna stand over here.
Alright,
You want to throw them that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Might be loud.
Oh wow.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was awesome. You want to take over?
Yeah.
All right. I hope it doesn't hurt the dog's ears though.
I hope not.
Dang, there's a lot in here.
Usually, because like what I did with mine, because I didn't grab all that stuff out, the brown stuff.
It just kind of came out like.
It's okay.
I mean, now I feel bad. Like the dog's right there.
Dude, it's not gonna bother her.
All right. All right. Ready? Go. Dang. That was loud. Wow. Hey, I've heard them all. You don't have to worry about that. You should take two. No. Oh shoot.
You're fine.
Oh.
It's okay.
It'll blow
blow off.
Yeah.
Okay, this one was yours.
I was gonna say throw the. We could have just thrown them both together. That would have been too loud. Must not have heard if he could do that, because.
Oh. I think you said that it really didn't hurt.
Yeah.
What he said, but I don't remember. You ready?
Yep. Damn.
Yeah, they are loud.
There you go. All right. There's one way in here.
Yeah, don't you hate when that happens?
Yeah, it's like right there.
Yeah, because I had like the trouble with the two that I had.
I think I'm gonna put some in each hand.
And just toss them up in the air at the same time.
Yep. Here we go.
That's awesome.
Now we gotta clean them up.